Hello, we are from Denmark and it's right there.
And now we're going to talk some Danish.
It's not that difficult.
Let's start out!
Hvad er klokken?
What time is it?
Good morning.
Godmorgen.
Thank you so much.
Mange tak.
What's your name? Hvad hedder du?
Please. Tak.
Hello.
Hej.
Goodbye.
Farvel.
How much is it?
Hvor meget koster det? Good evening.
God aften.
I love you. Jeg elsker dig.
Can you help me please? Kan du hjælpe mig? Good night.
Godnat.
I am sorry.
Det er jeg ked af.
No.
Nej. Happy birthday. Tillykke med fødselsdagen. Lunch. Frokost.
Where do you come from?
Hvor er du fra?
How are you?
Hvordan har du det?
Yes.
Ja.
Where is the school?
Hvor er skolen?